Welcome back to Ethan Teaches Art, and today we're making chocolate chip cookies. I'm a cookie. I'm a cookie. I'm a cookie. I'm a cookie.
And what do we need?
We need.
Today is something different. We don't need markers.
Yes, we don't need. We need an orange bowl.
A bowl.
Actually, not orange, but. And what's this? Flour?
Flour.
Flour. What's this? Oh, chocolate chips, baking soda, butter, one butter.
Half a cup.
Yep. One egg. Sugar?
Flour.
Oh, flour, more flour.
Sugar.
Sugar and vanilla, not the ice cream, the liquid, and brown sugar. And
So stay tuned. We're gonna brown some butter, and we're gonna make some cookies.
Dramatical.
All right, put the butter in.
The whole thing?
We're making brown butter today.
The brown butter. So first, you get your butter.
Half a cup.
Half a cup.
Who's that in the background?
She's drinking water out of a bowl.
All right, put the butter in.
So you get one butter.
Whoa.
Oh, I can
That's
pick
all right. Put
that
the butter
up.
in.
You get one butter, 1 cup.
Half a cup.
Half a cup.
Put it in.
And you just put it in, and let it brown.
Yeah, but you gotta stir it the entire time.
And I gotta wash my hands. So I'm just spinning the butter, ring around the rose.
Until it melts.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna stir it constantly until it browns.
And make sure you wash your hands before this, because germs, especially if you're feeding it to your family, adult supervision, turn the camera to the adult. The butter. So explain why is it called brown butter?
All right, so brown butter is typically yellow or white, right? Now brown butter is basically cooking the butter down so it turns a little bit of a different flavor, but you don't want to burn it. So we're basically changing the flavor of the butter to intensify the cookie flavor. Spin, stir. Stir.
So you want it bubbly. This is what it's supposed to look like. You gotta keep stirring and stirring until it turns.
Get it all, stir it all.
Brown.
See how it's starting to turn a different color a little bit?
Yeah, like a whitish or like a little yellowish.
A little brown.
Oh, yeah.
Get it all. You gotta stir everywhere, bro. See how it's starting to turn brown a little bit?
Make sure you be careful around fires, because fires could burn you. I have an uncle, when he was 1 year old, an iron fell in his arm.
Oh my gosh.
And you can still see his burn. So that's why you gotta be careful. Cookie! Chicken poop! Ooh, it looks more brown. As you might not see it because of the glare or something, but it looks like hot chocolate a little.
Keep spinning fast.
Looks like hot chocolate. Ooh, so that's what it's supposed to look like when you're done. As you can see, when you stir it a little, you can see like brown. That's good. So this is what it's supposed to look like.
Yep. Now we're gonna work on the other ingredients.
And let it cool.
Let it cool a little bit.
Cool. So now I gotta move my thingy chingy to here. And we're gonna pour this in a bowl. So we let it cool for a minute. And then you just
Scrape the pan.
scrape the pan. Pull that brown stuff off the pan and drag it in your bowl. And you put it into your bowl with your brown butter. And this is how you make brown butter.
Mm-hmm.
Got half a cup, 1/2, we're gonna put our white sugar
Hold it over the bowl.
in the white cup.
Oh.
Fill it up, and then you just pour it in.
All right, you start mixing that, and I'm gonna pour the brown sugar.
And then we get our
All right.
so we get our brown sugar. Well, Uncle Dog is getting the brown sugar while I stir this. It looks a bit brown. That's good, if you're wondering. It's supposed to be brown. And then we're gonna get our brown sugar, half a cup, still half a cup. And you pour that in, and you mix that more. And you keep mixing until you see no sugar, any brown or any white sugar. Just like this. Just stirring and stirring and stirring.
Stirring. I'll pause it.
I was stirring it for like 2 minutes. He's gonna do the egg. You crack 1 egg.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what
There it
happened?
is. I thought I got a shell in there.
We crack 1 egg, and you break the egg like this, and then you just keep stirring it with the egg. You can see the yolk, the yellow yolk in it. And whoever cracked the egg, wash your hands.
I'm washing my hands.
Yeah, you should wash your hands because they carry germs. Especially chicken. Chicken carries germs. Raw chicken. Like cooked chicken's alright. It's gonna turn to like a liquid, like a slime.
Stir good. Watch out. Let me get in here for a second.
Okay. So it's gonna, your thing is gonna look like a slime.
Your mixture.
Your mixture is gonna look like a slime. Stir it very good because it's very liquidy. See? Very liquidy. And you cannot eat it because raw egg is bad.
I keep moving you around. I'm sorry.
It's alright. I'm alright, man. So you cook, not cook, you stir it and get all of this stuff from the sides. Ew, whatever. So you get all this stuff from the sides.
Sorry.
It's alright. All this stuff in the sides into the mixture. And then you keep stirring it.
All right, vanilla time. I can't find a measuring cup, but
Oh, how much do you need though?
I don't know. That's fine.
So you just get a spoon.
This eyeball.
Yeah, just get a spoon, put some vanilla, and then just pour it in because,
We're just guessing.
yeah. I wanna lick it.
All right.
Oh my god. I'm so tempted.
Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Oh
I
my
wanna
gosh.
lick it.
Oh
I
my
got
gosh.
something on my finger and I wanna lick it so bad. Did I lick it?
Go ahead.
Yay. Ooh, our batter tastes good. Don't do what I do. Only if you got a little stuff on your fingers.
All right, a little salt.
Little salt, a spoon for
I'm
a
just eyeballing it. I don't
Look
know,
at-
guys.
like
let's hope
that.
for the best.
It's a little salt, not a lot.
And a little baking soda.
We put the salt on the cookies.
No.
We did? Oh, I don't know. Okay. So, and then
And-
baking soda?
We're just eyeballing it too.
Yeah, just a little. Eyeball.
Little eyeball.
Little eyeball. Yeah. So you keep mixing
Mix
that.
it good, guys.
You keep mixing it. Your batter would look something like this.
Like a booger.
Yeah. A brown, big, ginormous booger. You scrape all the stuff from the sides into the mixture. Make sure there's no any leftover sugar on the sides.
Oh.
You need
And
all
then
of
next, once you get it really good, we're gonna put the flour.
it. Flour.
Okay, we're on.
Okay, our Spanish word of the day today is galleta. Galleta.
Which means what?
cookie.
Cookie?
Cookie. Not. I don't know how you say chocolate chip cookie in Spanish. Search it up. Chocolate galleta. Chocolate cookie. How do you say chips? So we got how much flour?
1 1/3 cups.
1 1/3 cups flour. We did 2 of those, right? 2?
That's 1 cup.
Oh, that's 1 cup. So you get 1 cup of flour. 1 cups of flour. Do you do 2 or no?
I did 2 half cups And now I'm eyeballing the third cup. There you go. Stir that up.
So that would be one cup and
a third cup.
And a third cup. Make sure all of it's inside.
And then
you don't
it
want
says
anything.
1 full cup of chocolate chips.
One full cup of chocolate chips, because it wouldn't be a chocolate chip cookie. Your mixing would be something like white snow over brown boogers. It look like that, brown boogers with some stuff like white snow. It kind of looks like.
Start mixing, bro. Start mixing.
Okay.
We got stuff on the floor here that needs to be picked up.
All right. Well.
Grandpa, quiet.
We're doing a YouTube video.
Yeah. Don't cuss a lot. He cusses.
Start mixing, bro. What are you doing?
You're supposed to mix until the flour's gone. I don't know. You keep mixing until the flour's gone. It looks like this right now. Shh. Okay, then it's gonna look all like this. And you add 1 cup, right?
1 cup chocolate chips, but I always like to put a few extras.
That's enough, man. That's enough. So
Extra chocolate. I'm gonna eat a couple.
Bruh.
I don't like chocolate chips plain. So, eat a few chocolate chips. Add 2 cups of chocolate chips, and if you want extra, go ahead. It's gonna look like this.
You gotta mix it good, man.
I know. Just get it on the flour because there's a
All right,
bunch
I think
of
I'm gonna
flour.
take over for a minute, just to help.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put these on a tray.
Okay.
All right, now what are we doing?
We're using our hands.
All right, so you get a little scoop, and you put it here.
And also, if you have like one of those cookie things, like you could grab some and then drop them. You could use that one too.
We'll use the green spatula first, and then if we need to.
And then we eat like this.
Yeah. Whoa, that's
Whoa,
massive.
whoa.
We need much smaller cookies.
Okay.
Much smaller.
Like that?
Much smaller.
Ah?
Because cookies, when they're in the oven, they
like this?
grow. Half that. Half. No, half. That could be 2 cookies. I'm glad you washed your hands right now.
Bruh.
Like this?
Half that.
Oh my God, you went half that, half this, half this.
Well, you're not breaking it in half.
Like
you're
that?
taking little chunks off.
Like
Bruh.
this?
Let's see. Put it on the paper.
Okay. Make it like a little ball.
That's good. Perfect. Make
Right
them all
there.
that size.
All of them that size. You
Yeah.
got it.
Actually, could be, yeah.
Like
Perfect.
that.
Perfect.
And you keep using your hand or your ice cream scooper thing. That's what people call it.
Or a spatula.
A spatula, yeah. Anything you prefer. We're doing our hands.
This one could actually get a little more.
Okay. And then you just boop, boop, boop. Cookie!
Cookie. All right, we're going to speed through this, and then we're going to show you putting them in the oven.
Yeah, fast forward.
I wonder why these pickles were leaking.
Fast forward.
Bruh.
This is what your cookies are going to look like, guys. We got 1 full tray. Now we're going to work on another full tray. And Ethan wants to eat, and I keep saying wait. Okay, we get the point.
Bruh.
Dude.
The cookies. Is
All
it
right,
fast
guys,
forward?
we're working on our second tray of cookies.
You could do seconds. Second tray. It depends how much dough you have. Let me put it a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, it depends on how much dough. So we had enough for 1 full tray. We got 12 cookies. Because 3 times 4, that's 12. If you guys are doing your math.
Mm-hmm.
And then now we're going to see if we can get another 12 cookies. So we're going to have 24 cookies.
24.
How long do you think these cookies are going to last?
Probably like 2 days.
2 days.
Because my grandpa eats a lot. He just ate one from yesterday right now, like a few minutes ago. Grandpa loves ice cream and all those stuff.
Bruh.
Ah, funny. Joke of the day.
What was our word of the day again?
Word of the day, galleta.
Galleta?
Galleta.
That means cookie.
Yeah,
And we are making a bunch of galletas.
galleta. You're funny. Okay, let's fast forward this.
All right, the spoils of all your work. The raw cookie dough. Don't try this at home, guys. Don't try this at home. How's it taste?
Very salty.
Okay.
Doughy.
Doughy.
Chocolatey a little.
Okay. We're going to pop these in the oven.
And salty.
And stay tuned for Ethan's
Can I lick
first...
this? Wait, can I lick this?
Yes.
Okay.
Ethan's first YouTube baking tutorial.
Bruh.
Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe too. Dance party time. So dance, mom. Dance. Ooh, yeah. Break the moonwalk. Okay. Yeah. Okay, just stop it. Just stop. No, stop.
All right, open the oven. Open the oven. All the way, all the way.
Put 'em in the freezer.
Yeah, we're skipping the step.
Because you could put them in the fridge for 15 minutes if you want, but we're gonna cook them. How long?
12 minutes. See you guys in a few.
Bruh.
No way! That actually looks so good. That looks so
It
good.
looks better than mine.
Look. Look at that. Beautiful. Such beautiful.
We need one more minute.
Really?
I don't know, let me see. Let's see the bottom ones.
One more minute?
I'm thinking probably one more minute.
Oh, false alarm. One more minute. Whoa, what? Have I ever showed you my happy dance? This is my happy dance right here.
Is that mine?
Happy dance. Ah, cookies. Fire hot, be careful. Adult supervision still. Adult supervision, cookies. Okay, get our cookies. Happy.
Get this one? Maybe
Yeah,
a
sure.
little hot. All right, you see how I doubled it up right here?
Yeah.
You're gonna. Well, I'm not worried. You think you got it?
Yeah.
Get the side. There you go.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. This is actually
I'm
scary.
helping you. I'm helping you.
This is scary. Oh my god.
All right.
Ooh. Let them cool and watch us taste them.
And jump.
Bruh.
Ow. Oh my god, I cracked my back. Now the taste test time. We got
What?
we got Issa.
You get them all, huh?
We got Issa. Grandpa's about to eat one. My dad. Old lady. Mom. Uncle Dog.
I'm here.
Me. Mahi.
Okay.
Sushi. Okay.
Grab your cookie.
He already.
Only that one.
Here you go.
Ooh,
Grab
I
a-
wanted
Oh, Dad, I was gonna
Oh, Ethan got it. We're all eyeing that one because it looks so perfect.
You want that one?
It's very crusty.
Very
Can I,
good.
How are we
can
looking?
I cut mine in half with a...
Oh my
Sure.
god.
Taste test. Honest reviews.
All right.
Very good, guys.
Delicious.
Now they're all mine.
How is it?
Good. Check it out. Watch.
This
So
one
satisfying.
This
Mom,
one
you're
has-
doing the most.
You can have all of
Oh
them.
wait.
It's not a pizza.
I touched them.
Hey, camera.
Try it.
Oh my
What
god.
do you think, Issa?
These are very yummy.
Hey, I'm 2010.
These are delicious. The old lady said they're delicious.
How are we ranking them out of 10?
I'll give you guys a 9. These are very good. I mean, you did use my recipe.
All right. Well, that concludes the movie. That concludes the video. Like, subscribe.
And don't forget, so you could comment on my video too.
We'll have videos.
See you guys next time.
Stay tuned for this Saturday. For the first time Ethan teaches art, we're bringing a fishing video.
Bruh.